Meow.
Hi, I'm Lance Kibble. Welcome to Something Fuzzy News Now, where we cover the top animal videos of the week so that the next time you're at the water cooler, you'll be that guy that knows about the top animal videos of the week. Laurie?
Thanks, Lance. Have you had the talk with your bunny yet about when it's appropriate to start wearing lipstick? Of course you haven't. It's not a thing. Or is it? They grow up so fast. Today it's raspberry lipstick. Tomorrow, a blueberry nose job.
Thanks, Laurie. Next, have you ever wondered what it would be like to die by baby goat stampede? Good, because I've got the video for you. Warning, this gets graphic. If your kids are nearby, tell them I say hi. We can only imagine that the worst happened after the video cut out. You can donate to families affected by baby goat stampedes on our website.
And lastly, we have footage of the first ever canine bear wrestling league. Nobody asked for it, but nobody's telling it to go away. Check it out.
Well, that's everything important that happened on the internet this week. We leave you now with a monkey riding a pig. Stay fuzzy, internet!